mysterious, enchanting, bloody, and shitty. Entering is the other way of suicidal. Just one wrong move and everything will be blurred. A lot of secrets are being hid. Not the typical school to have fun. Death is everywhere. Bad, wars, monster, and evil are scattered. Must be shut up your mouth. Never against to anyone. There is motto, once you enter, there's no turning back. Never trust your curiosity. It could just drive you straight to hell. Isang liblib na kagubatan, may para lang kinakatakutan. Magkaibigang walang inatrasan, lahat ay pinupuntahan. Isang tagong paralan na hindi saklaw ng gobyerno, kung saan legal ang papatay. Maraming sikreto ang nakakupi, palaging may mali sa bawat kwento. Huwag pausarin ang kuryosidad na kontrolin ang iyong sarili.
Just tell me if you're not, so I won't be scared. Can you say, shut up?
Just be careful. I might guess later on.
They have not scared.
You only get more being tired. Crazy. We're almost there.
Ouch.
Here it is!
I think this is it. What are you doing here? It's our university here. We want to enroll.
Vanessa, I think it's a bad idea. Good morning, Yuki. I'm Madam Violet. Please fill up the form. Welcome to the university.
Thank you. How much is the tuition fee here? I am a scholar and I brought all my documents.
It's free without any fee. Our one and only rule here.
Isa lang ang role niyo. Wow.
7 p.m. to 5 a.m. is our freedom night, also known as bloody night.
What do you mean?
Everything is free. You will have your freedom. It's also the time where killing is legal. Lock all the doors. Never get outside. That range of time, because if you do, you will die.
Game.
Never let your guard down, or else you know what I mean.
But cool and fun.
Mas mabuti kung mag-ingat kayong lahat.
You will die.
Who are you?
You'll be right. What's your name?
Zen.
Sounds angel, but at the end you will also hold a knife to survive. Scared. You should not enter here.
Who are you?
I am not your friend. No one is your friend. It's already 6:30 p.m. You still have 30 minutes to live. All the doors. The eyes are warm to you. All of you, so be careful.
Hoy, nagkamali tayo ng school na pinasukan, guys. This is no longer fun.
Alam mo, Zen, mauna kang mamamatay sa amin sa takot. Kaya chill lang, chill lang.
Hey, look guys. What does
Zen, nagbibiro lang.
Guys, please, ayoko na may mangyari sa ating masama. Please.
Natatakot ka na ba talaga?
Vanessa, I'm serious. There's something in this school. More than this bloody night.
Who are they?
Nakita ba nila tayo?
I think...
Hey, Madam Violet, gusto namin umalis sa paaralang ito.
Oh, what's the matter? Kala ko ba cooling fan?
My God! This school is complete mess.
And how it come na hindi pinasara ang school na to?
Well, Miss Sane, Hell University is an independent school at hindi ito saklaw ng gobyerno.
How come?
Basta we need to get out in the school.
Oh my God, pumasok kayo ng kusa dito and we have motto here. Once you enter, there's no turning back.
What do you mean?
You're not joking?
Lead us the way.
Panindigan niyo ang pagpasok niyo dito.
No way, makakaharap din kami ng daan palabas dito. At magsusumbong kami sa police.
Then go, harapin niyo.
Din pa ba namin mag-aral dito? Alam niyo ba ang lesson o patayan ng alam niyo?
Pili lang ang teacher dito, kaya sure ako na marami kayong matutunan.
Wow, amazing! May mga teachers pa pala na gustong magturo sa atin.
Yeah, and now, get out now.
Come on, guys.
May bit-bit din ako.
Matt! Matt, this is not the way!
Saint, it's already 6:40 p.m. We have to get in our dorm. We save until... Hold on, Zen.
Go first, Matt. I just want to confirm something.
You will be damned, Zen.
Sorry.
Ouch!
Matt! Are you okay? Can you still walk?
My feet are numb, and I don't know if I walk.
Oh, Matt!
Zen, please go away.
No!
Zen, run away.
What's that? Alice, you, di ka ba alis sa dadaanan ko? Should I? You must be the newbie. I'm the secretary here.
Can't you read?
Kape lang yan. Di ka pa binibitawan pwesto ko. What are you doing?
You're not qualified.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Labas!
But Supreme!
I said get out! Okay ka lang? Tanggap ka na bilang sekretary ko. Ikaw si Sen, di ba? I am the Supreme President. I am the one na nag-iwan kay Sen sa clinic.
So it's real na may dagang nakapasok dito? Don't worry, aalis din kami. You lead our way. You didn't know? I don't know. Once you enter, there's no turning back. Celine! Wait! We want to hurt you. I need your help. Huwag kang nalapit. Masasaktan ka lang.
Damay na kami simula na pumasok kami here in HU. So please, Celine, we need your help. Please.
I will ask you, Zen. Can you trade your life for the information you can get?
Tell me everything you know.
You are brave, Zins, but you are also like that. It's just your curiosity. Hell University. This is not a real name because it's a Philippine Science University, or better known as PHU.
PHU?
Saan ka na universidad kung saan ay mayaman lang nakapasok hanggang isang sakit ang nakapasok at tumawag sa universidad na ito. Somebody na scientist na mayaman. Sa katagalan ng panahon ay nawala na ang daan ng universidad palabas at hindi na ito kilala.
But why?
Pagkasa ng PHU, nalata naman ito ng Hell University na ngayon ay pinasukan ninyo. At ang scientist na sinasabi ko ay si Dr. Quezon. Na sobrang talino niya na wala siya sa sarili. Dahil gusto niya magbuhay ng patay na binuo ng isip at sa talino ito ay nasa isip niya, kaso kami lahat ay ginawang eksperimento. Madaming namatay at ngayon ay ito ay hindi pa din nahanap. Ang formula na ito ay kayang buhay ng patay.
Nandito pala si Dr. Quezon.
Namatay si Quezon na hindi ito nagamit. Sa kanya, subat mayroong isang estudyante na kakaalam, pero pinapahanap ito dahil nakatago ito. Iyon ang real ng HQ.
Why do you need me?
Huwag kang bastos, mission. Baka nakakalimutan mo ang karap mo ang principal at school president. Gumalang ka naman.
This is about you as the newest secretary. How many times did I say it? I'm not interested in that position.
Kung papipiliin ka man, ikaw ang gusto kong maging personal secretary, period.
Ayoko! I don't need it!
Mission, malalaman mo ang lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan mo once na ito ay tanggapin mo. Takot sila sa'yo. At may chance ka na kontrolin sila.
Pag-iisipan ko.
Tingnan mo ang paligid. Sa tingin mo, sinong kalaban sa kanila? What did you say? Hindi lahat na nakita mo ay totoo. Hindi lahat na nalaman mo ay katotohanan. Hindi lahat ng kaibigan mo, kaibigan din turing sa'yo. Sa huli, sarili pa rin ang isip nila. Sa bawat innocent smile, may tinatagong lihim. Huwag kang yayakap ng mahigpit kahit na sino. Dahil hindi mo alam kung sino ang may hawak ng kutsilyo. Susan, kaya mo bang talikuran iyong friends para lang makaligtas ka?
Ganda niya. Ganda sa paligid. Oo. Hi. May ano yun?
Mission?
What is it, Sir Alvaro?
Maaari ba tayong mag-usap? I need your help.
Para saan po, sir?
I'm not just a teacher. I'm also a detective.
What are you trying to say?
Listen then, I'm a detective at the same time, I'm a secret agent. Dati pa namin ito minamanmanan, pero wala akong makitang maaaring maging butas ng HU upang mailigtas kayong lahat. But I can do that by myself, that's why I'm asking for help.
I don't understand.
Wala kasi na may tutulong mo, just accept their offer.
Secretary, you want me to accept it?
If you have the position, it would be a big help. Alamin mo ang hidden laboratory nila.
What's laboratory?
You'll find out by yourself.
What the hell? Let me go!
No matter what you shout, no one will hear you. Wait, I need to call my boss.
How dare you?
Bago ka pa lang, paparating na si kamatayan. Anong nakakatawa?
Race?
Shut up.
Sige, go it. And once you do it, all students in school know your secret. Tell me your name.
I am Ray.
You're not Race. Don't try to be him.
I am Ray. I am.
You're not Race. You're not. No one can be Race. He's dangerous. And you binanggit ko lang name niya. You began to scared.
But how? I fool everyone but you didn't fool.
I meet Race once.
Can I have one favor? Can you secret it?
Pakawalan mo ako dito.
Please.
Secret is in secret.
Vanessa, what are you doing? You kill Mia. Why?
Pwede ba? Then, he's the one why we are here. Everyone is going to die.
Juan, makakaalis tayo dito.
Then, walang daan. And all of you will die.
Juan, stop it. Juan, you killed Mia and now kami naman. Guys, it's already 7 o'clock. We need to go. Jerome! Where's Jerome?
Jerome! Jerome!
No, it's not true. Vanessa said it's not there. Why this is happen? Why? I need to kill one of them. But how they, my friend?
What are you doing, Jerome?
Jerome, we promised we go out. But why did you kill Dave? I don't want to wait, Matt. Sorry, you have to promise me you'll survive it.
Jerome! Pangako, makakaligtas kami.
Then, okay
Bakit di mo ako sinasagot? May problema ba?
Nothing.
Ito na ang huli. Pwede ba akong humingi ng pabor?
What?
Slow. Nothing. Pumasok ka na lang. Kita na lang tayo bukas.
Layuan mo siya.
What?
Kung mahal mo siya, gagawin mo.
Oo, mahal ko siya. Kaya nga di ko kaya layuan eh.
Love isn't always enough then. If you really love him, lalayo ka. Ace is dangerous in love. People are looking his mistake. Then, to bring him down, and you are the wrong decision he made. If you choose to leave him, that's the way you love him.
Then,
I'll give up.
what are you saying?
I'm giving up. I can't find anymore. Kung lalayo ako, mas mabuti yon para sa'yo at para sa atin.
I can live without anything, but I can't live without you.
Of course you can.
Then, no, you teach me how to love.
Pero kailangan natin palayan ng isa't isa.
Then you are only one na meron akong wag mo namang ipagkait na mahalin ako. Need the more than I have.
Leave me alone, Ace. I don't want to hurt you.
Ganun na lang ba ang lahat?
Yes.
Minahal mo ba ako?
Minahal? Sino magmamahal sa'yo? You're psychopathic, poor heartless man. How can you expect na may nagmamahal sa'yo? You know you are a devil, and I'm happy without you.
Then, can I do a favor?
What is?
Lumabang ka Sen, para sa akin, para sa kaibigan mo, at lalo na para sa'yo. What do you need from me?
We have one question that you can answer.
What is it?
Where is Ray?
Paano mo nasabing alam ko kung asan ang kapatid kong si Reyes?
Labis mo akong pinahanga, Supremo.
Sige, sabihin na natin alam ko kung asan si Reyes. Pero, bakit ko sasabihin sa'yo?
What if I said hawak namin si Jen?
Bakit di mo gusto ang mangyari sa kanya?
Say it now, where is Ray? Well, parang na lumalapit sa manok. Good, Ray.
Ganun ba kayo kadesperadong makita ko? Kailangan bang gumamit ng ibang tao?
Ngayong nandito ka, sabihin mo kung nasan ang formula.
Never kong sasabihin sa'yo. Leave this school or die.
Sen, you're now safe, Sen.
Akala ko patay na ako.
Everything is okay. Ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. Ingat ka, Sen. sarili mo. Mahal ka bukas.
Or bakit ka kasakit na? Sabi kayo dyan! Sa gubat.
I think.
Di ba?
Van, stop it. Van, you killed me, yeah. Hey, my friend.
Wag. Yung ano lang, ang kamay. Hindi man yung...
But,
Anong ano?
saan no? Vanessa, si Jerome.
Sigat na.
Para sa friends mo. For me.